RBZ, the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe, to seek global recognition for its new currency, Zimbabwe gold. Sabena mashoko arikubuda ku RBZ awanokumana na mtule ngwe kuti bo subscribe bo like kuti na on the bell icon. Tipinda pa Zimbabwe Economic Review vanyora vachiti the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe RBZ aims for global recognition of the Zimbabwe gold ZiG currency. Deputy Governor Dr. Inonzi Zim highlighted ZiG's stability and effective market performance. The RBZ commits to its sustainability, adhering to SADC inflation targets and ensuring no ZiG is issued beyond the reserves. Open dialogue with stakeholders continues to address concerns and promote confidence in the Zimbabwe's monetary system. Panapa, they want to seek global recognition of the new structured currency, the Zimbabwe gold currency. Initiative yabva kune team our refinance atakuona deputy governor Inonzi Zim. Pinda comment section medu mutudze mafunguro enyu, subscribe, like, on the bell icon.